Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is teacher Ilona Smith, and in today's video we're going to look at all the different topics and chapters that we'll be dealing with in business studies for grade 12. Matrics 2024, let's kick it. So to start off with, we're looking at the impacts of legislation. This is a very, very broad topic. It's got a lot of different acts, so definitely pay attention with this topic. I do have some videos currently. I've covered almost all of the chapters there, so you can check it out. Then we're looking into the human resource function. We did this a little bit in grade 11, but now we're doing it much broader in grade 12. One of my favorite chapters, to be honest. Then we're diving into professionalism and ethics, as well as creative thinking. These ones shouldn't be a biggie. We've been doing them since grade 10. And then lastly, we're looking at the macro environments, the different business strategies thereof. All right, then you guys have your first control test and SBA. Let's see what's in store for term 2. So here we're looking at the 3 different business sectors and their environments. We're moving on to look at quality of performance. NB this chapter, it's a very, very big chapter. They love to ask it, and it can be a bit of a challenging one in the beginning. I do have a video on this. Please do check it out. We're then looking at leadership and management, and then we're looking at investments, securities and investment insurance too. We'll then be diving into team performance and conflict management. After this, you will have your June exams and another SBA. All right, term 3, the final teaching term per se. So in term 3, we'll be looking at the human resources. So we're looking at inclusivity and the different environmental issues that are faced by businesses. We're looking at social responsibility and then also corporate social responsibility too. We're looking at presentation and data presentation, so how to present business ideas, which we've been doing from grade 10 too. And then lastly, we're looking at forms of ownership, so the different types of forms of ownership. All right, then you guys will be kicking into doing your prelims, and then it's the final one, the finale in term 4. I wish you guys all the very best of luck. I can't wait. This is exciting. I really have quite a huge catalog on grade 12 videos so far, and I'm just looking at expanding and broadening this. So let me know what you guys are excited for, what you can't wait for, some things that you're a little bit nervous about. It is grade 12. It's matric. It's the grand finale. So it's a lot to take in, but it's exciting. Let's go on this journey together and let's ace those business marks for grade 12. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Enjoy the rest of the holidays. Bye for now.